Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 2, Introduction to Linear Polynomials, exercise set 2.3, question 1, question 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now coming to the question 1. The question 1 says, a student has rupees 500 in her savings bank account. She gets rupees 150 every month as pocket money. How much money will she save? How much money will she have at the end of every month from the second month onwards? Find a linear expression to represent the amount she will have in the nth month. So now we want to find a linear expression to represent the amount she will have in the nth month. So here, question 1. Let us solve the question 1. So here, initial amount in the bank. Initial amount in the bank. It is rupees 500. Rupees 500. Now she gets rupees 150 every month. As pocket money. So we'll make a table here. The first column, the first row shows the month number. Month number. Which month? Column 2 shows the amount left in the account. Amount left in rupees. So in the 0 month, the balance is rupees 500. So at the end of first month, what will be the balance? The balance will be 500 plus 1 into 150. That's equal to 650. So at the end of 1 month, the balance, the amount left in the account is 650. At the end of second month, the amount left will be 500 plus 2 into 150. That will be equal to 800. At the end of third month, the amount left in the account will be 500 plus 3 into 150. That's equal to 950. So at the end of n months, the amount left in the account will be 500 plus n into 150. That is 500 plus 150 n. Is the amount left after n months. Therefore, in the nth month, therefore after n months, the amount left in the account will be rupees 500 plus 150 n. So here the first sum is solved here. So next we will go to the second sum. The second sum says a rally starts with 120 members. Each hour 9 members drop out of the group. How many members will remain after 1, 2, 3 hours? Find a linear expression to represent the number of members at the end of the nth hour. So here the rally starts with 150 members, 120 members, and after each hour 9 members will drop off. So we have to find out a linear expression to represent the number of members at the end of nth hour. The end of nth hour. So initial number of members. Initial number of members. In the rally. The rally starts with 120 members. So each hour after each hour each hour 9 members drop off. 9 members drop off. Drop out of the valley. So we will make a box. The first row shows the number of hours. number of hours. The second row shows number of members left. Number of members left. So here the rally starts with 120. So 0 hours, that is 120 members will be there starting of the race. Then after the first hour, the number of members left will be 120 minus 1 into 9. That's equal to 111. After 2 hours, the number of members left in the rally will be 120 minus 2 into 9. That's equal to 102 members. After 3 hours, the number of members left in the rally will be 120 minus 3 into 9. That will be equal to 93. It goes on like this. At the end of n hours, the number of members left will be 120 minus n into 9. That's equal to 120 minus 9n. Therefore, the number of members left after n hours will be 120 minus 9n. So here the second sum is solved. Now we'll go to the third sum. The third sum says suppose the length of a rectangle is 13 centimeters. Find the area if the breadth is 12 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters. Find the linear pattern representing the area of the rectangle. Here the length of the rectangle is fixed, that is 13 centimeters. We want to find the area when its breadth will be 12, 10, 8 and so on. You have to find linear pattern representing the area of the rectangle. So here the length of the rectangle is length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle equal to 13 centimeters. In this box, the first row shows the breadth. It is in centimeters. The second row shows the area of the rectangle. in centimeters square. So here, when the breadth is 2 centimeters, the area will be 13 into 2, that's equal to 13 into 12. The breadth is 12 centimeters, so 13 into 12, we will get 156 centimeter square. When the breadth is 12 centimeters, the area is 156. When the breadth is 10 centimeters, the area will be 13 into 10, that's equal to 130 centimeters square. When the breadth is 8 centimeters, the area will be 13 into 8, that's equal to 104 centimeters square. When the breadth is n centimeters, then the area will be 13 into n, that's equal to 13n. So when the breadth of the rectangle is, therefore, when the breadth of the rectangle is n centimeters, the area is 13 n centimeters square. The third sum. Now we will go to the fourth sum. The fourth sum says, suppose the length of a rectangular box is 7 centimeters and breadth is 11 centimeters. Find the volume if the height is 5 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 13 centimeters, and so on. Find the linear pattern representing the volume of the rectangular box. Here there is a box, rectangular box. They have given us the length and the breadth. We have to find the volume when the height is 5 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 30 centimeters, and we have to find the linear pattern representing the volume of the rectangular box. So here the length of the box is length of the box. Length of the box. Seven centimeters. The breadth of the box. Breadth of the box. Is 11 centimeters. So here there are two rows. In the first row, we will write the height. The height in centimeters. Next, we will find the volume. Volume will be in centimeter cube. So when the height is 5 centimeters. The volume will be length into breadth into height is the volume. So length into breadth into height, that is 5. So we'll get the volume, that is 385 centimeter cube. Suppose the breadth, the height is 9 centimeters. The volume will be length into breadth into height. That will be 693. When the height is 13 centimeters, the volume will be length into breadth into height. That's equal to 1001. When the height is n centimeters, then the volume will be 7 into 11 into n. That's equal to 77n. Therefore, when the height of the box is n centimeters, its volume is 77n centimeter cube. So this is the fourth sum. Next we'll go to the fifth sum. The fifth sum says Sarita is reading a book of 500 pages. She reads 20 pages every day. How many pages will be left after 15 days? Express this as a linear pattern. So here there is a book containing 500 pages. This girl Sarita, she reads 20 pages every day. They are asking how many pages will be left after 15 days. And they are asking us to express this as a linear pattern. So, a number of pages in the book. Number of pages in the book. That is 500. So Sarita reads 20 pages every day. Every day. So now in the first row we will write the number of days. Number of days. In the second row, number of papers left. Number of pages left. Number of pages left. So initial there are 500 pages. After the first day, how many pages will be left there? 500 minus 1 into 20, that's equal to 480 pages will be left after the first day. Then after the second day, number of pages left will be 500 minus 2 into 20, that's equal to 460 pages. After the third day, the pages left will be 500 minus 3 into 20, that's equal to 440. After n number of days, the pages left will be 500 minus n into 20, that's equal to 500 minus 20n. Therefore, the number of pages left, the number of pages left after n days, will be 500 minus 20n. So here the fifth sum is solved here. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.